Welcome to the world of two-dimensional barcoding. You'll hear them called by multiple names: snap tags, QR codes, or even matrix codes. Because they are two-dimensional, they can store more information than traditional barcodes. These 2D barcodes can be used in retail at the point-of-purchase display level, as well as in marketing and in print advertising. They work like this. The customer downloads a free reader app onto their smartphone and scans the code, which sends them to a website, downloads contact information, or sends them text. So how do you create one? We'll show you a couple of different ways, depending on which type of 2D code you want to use. All sites shown here are free and easy to use. The QR code is the original 2D code, and it's black and white. It's easy to create. Pick a QR code generator website like enigma.com or deliver.com, which are both shown here. We'll walk through both of these, as well as the Microsoft Tag Creator. If you're using Deliver, go to the website deliver.com/QR-code-generator and choose from the drop-down menu where you'd like the QR code to send your customer. Is it a website? If so, select URL. If you do this, make sure the site is optimized for mobile, since your customer will be using a smartphone. Or you can embed contact information, a phone number, or text. If you choose to send them to a website, type in the address. You'll notice the code getting larger as you type. The size of the QR code is directly related to the amount of data stored in it. However, they can be resized. The site also asks if you'd like it to be small, medium, or large. A good rule of thumb is to not go any smaller than 1 inch by 1 inch and to leave white space around it so the phone can capture the code easily. Once you generate the code, you can right-click and save as, or you can download it as a PNG file or as an EPS. The code can now be included in your print materials. If you'd like to use Enigma, choose at the top what you'd like to use the code for: a web link, an encoded message, provide contact details, or to send the customer a text. If it's a website, again, type in the address and click QR code under the barcode format. Choose your size, and then right-click and save as to your computer. To get started creating a Microsoft tag, click Tag Manager at the top right of the homepage. You'll need to create a free account for a Microsoft tag, but they allow you to track usage, whereas QR codes do not. The site is a little tricky to navigate. In the top left under Category, it says Create a Tag. Click here. Type in a title. This will not appear on the code. It's just how you find your code within the MS Tag archive in your account. Choose your tag type. If you want to send them to a website, click URL. With an MS Tag, you can choose when to have the tag active and when it can cease to be active. Or you can keep it active without an end date. Then type in the web address you want to send your customer to in the URL box. Then click Save. To get the tag, find it in the list of tags and click on the image of the tag under Render. You may get a text box pop up to make sure your tag adheres to certain guidelines. Click the checkbox and hit OK. Another box will pop up with several choices. You can have your tag save with a recommendation for the app your customer will need to view the tag. Or you can save it plain and use your own text for a recommendation. You can also render your tag in black and white. Microsoft recommends leaving a white border around the outer edge for ease of scanning with the smartphone. Once you make your choices, click Render at the bottom. You will receive a PDF of your tag. A good rule of thumb is to have several people check it with different types of smartphones to make sure it works properly. Our advice is to recommend a free reader app alongside the tag to give your customer quick access to the information, particularly if you're using it on signage in the store. And remember, good planning is the key to any marketing effort. QR codes and MS tags are no different. Good luck!